Kinong tray ka maumlu Chera Cement Employees Union kilawan ban pensyai ka jingdawa na ka sarkar jila bansiw pendep no e ka bainong jung kinong tray MCCL bat bansiw no e ka bainong ka barangsa baro. Hakajing ekren bakilat patay kubor hakasengi balang ka hendru tari uyayong u General Secretary jong ka Union upen scamling do ula pensngau ba ka sarkar ka di ban sedang ban tray kambiang no mar ya katay ka karkhana. Shushu ula kentu ka sarkar pagade ban pentray kamno ya ka voluntary retirement scheme VRS nakabenta kinong tray ki bakwa ya katay ka scheme.
Regarding our pending demands, in this regard, we like to point out that on 9 December we have come and give a petition to the government regarding the plant and the factory. There is some positive development in these 2 points that UI has come out, as Chairman has said, and regarding salary also from Deputy CM, he has stated in the media that payment of dues will be given to our employees. But up till now, there's no normal salary. What we have come again to give this reminder of demand is that the normal salary should be given to employees till the factory function normally and to pay all the pending dues of the employees urgently as declared by the government. Then the speedy and normal functioning of the plant also, as last time on 9 December we have talked, because as the union is inclusive, we have to think about the other employees like casual workers and all the people who survive from the factory. Then we have talked also last time regarding the inclusiveness of the union, regarding those employees who have retired and now have to really retire. The government came out with some scheme we are willing to take. We have seen that the chairman has given some briefing in the media that there is a scope for this. So with deliberation with all employees, we have given this their willingness that they will take this VRS or gluten check scheme to employees who are willing to opt as previous year, which was implemented during 2017. Even 2017 also, the previous government this VRS scheme has come out. That's why now also with the deliberation with other employees, we have to take this opportunity to take this scheme. Here we have written that some within these few months, but we'll see, depend upon the workers. But as the President said, it is, if too long it takes, then definitely will have to come out to the street.
So if you can tell us the amount of the pending dues of the employees of the MCL?
Pending dues till current amount that we have gathered is around 24 crores. No, it's